I went to check out the road work where the road had collapsed down here on Jomtien Beach. They've cut the road where it's stopped, at least stopped collapsing in on itself. They're putting sand back in, which this rain cloud that's coming in right now probably washed it all away again. I don't know. They're gonna have to figure out something else, either bigger drainage ditches or something. Hopefully I make it back without getting wet. We'll see what happens. I'll see you on the next video. Got a nasty rain cloud coming. Later. Well, I guess you can tell I didn't make it. It started raining. I got a long ways to wait, I think. I'm about halfway home.